Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp, inherit CSS variables. And we're going to learn about the root element in this case. And the root is basically a pseudo class selector that matches the root of the element, usually the entire HTML element. So we use a syntax root to change anything in the entire HTML element. And everything inside of it gets access to it too, because it gets inherit those properties. So for this exercise, we want to find a variable named penguin belly in the root. So we put penguin belly inside the root, colon, and we wanted to give it a pink. And now we notice that it gets pink, the background for everything inside of it. As you can see, it gets inherit this property for everything else. Thank you.